Is your Bluetooth not working on your Amazon Alexa? It usually happens due to pairing glitches, outdated software, or interference from other devices. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Bluetooth not working issue on your Amazon Alexa. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure that you have taken care of these basic things. Make sure the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect to, like a phone, speaker, or headphones, is in pairing mode. Keep the Bluetooth device and your Alexa device within close range, ideally within 3 feet to 1 meter. Make sure your Alexa device is connected to Wi-Fi. Now try these advanced options. Solution 1. Pairing through the Alexa app. First, make sure to plug in your Alexa device and make sure to install and set up the Alexa app on your phone. Open the Alexa app on your phone, then tap Devices icon from below. It looks like a bulb icon. Now tap on your Echo device name. Here you can see the Bluetooth connection option. Tap Connect a device option under the Bluetooth connection option. Now pair a device that you want. Solution 2. Pairing using voice commands. Put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. Say to your Alexa device, "Alexa, pair Bluetooth," or "Alexa, connect Bluetooth." Alexa will confirm that it's searching for devices. On your Bluetooth device, look for your Alexa device in the list of available connections and select it. Alexa will say that your connection is successful. Solution 3. Deregister and set up. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the device's icon at the bottom. It looks like a bulb light icon. Now select the device you want to remove Alexa from. Then tap on the settings from the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Deregister. Confirm your choice by tapping Deregister again on the pop-up. Now set up the device again. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Now make sure to plug in your Alexa device. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon at the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, and Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, take some time to explore the app. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. And that's it. This is how you can solve the Bluetooth not working issue on your Alexa. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.